Hi, I'm Tamae from Hobonichi.
And I'm Asako, and this is the second edition of the My Hobonichi Techo for 2025, and we'll be introducing you to the techos we chose for 2025, as well as showing you the techos we chose this year as well.
So, Asako, which techo did you choose for next year?
This is the techo I chose for work, and it's the Trogan Weeks cover. And inside, I have the Weeks Mega and Sneaker Leaf Green.
Wow, I like the green.
Yeah, it's really vibrant and matches the color of the pen, I think.
Yes.
And for this year, I've actually been using two techos for work. So this is the Weeks and this is the A6 Original. And mainly I use the Weeks as like a work to-do list managing thingy. And so like I write down my weekly schedules on this side and like daily tasks like this.
Your writing is so neat.
And my plan for this year at the start of the year was to use this as like my task managing techo and this as my like memo techo where I take notes for like during meetings and things like that. But then like because our office is like we don't have a assigned desk at our office.
Right, so you have to carry two techos.
And I soon realized that I was quite a lazy person and I couldn't do that. And I ended up just using this techo mainly and not so much this one. This one didn't get much love, which I feel really bad, but I can reuse the cover as well. So that's why I decided for next year to combine
like these two
into one so that I can write my weekly to-dos. And then it also has space 3 times the memo pages at the back, so then I can write all the meeting memos in one book as well. And the reason why I chose the Trogan is because it has the pocket. And again, I'm a lazy person, so I don't really carry around much pens, and I only write when I like use a lot of different kind of stationeries when I'm at my desk. So like having all these pens inside.
Wow. Oh, there are so many.
Yeah, it actually fits quite a lot. This is a ruler as well. This is a panda ruler. It changes pattern. It's cute. I risk it down again. I really like it. But this one fits as well, and all these pens fit. And to be honest, I can fit a lot more. And I like that about this. And I'm hoping that by carrying my pens with me, I can have a lot more fun with my techo during work as well.
Right.
So moving on, this is the Hon in the A5 cousin size, and this is the English version, and that's what I'm planning to use next year. So this is my like collage, not exactly collage, but like a techo to keep all my memory keeping techo.
Like shop cards.
Shop cards, exactly. And last year I was using the planner. And I did like the planner, but as you can see, it's quite puffed up.
Wow.
Like this. And I've been mainly using it like pasting things in like this.
Oh, you even put receipts.
Yeah, because I really like, I don't know, it looked very classical and I liked it. And it's full of like all these random stuff.
Wow.
Like this is very random as well. This is like a candy wrapper. I sometimes paste like photos with the ivy as well, and this was like on the bento, and then this is what was inside. And I paste it like this. And I like the planner because it made me like use my mind more, because obviously the A6 size means that you can't really paste everything in. And like in this instance, like I couldn't paste the paper and the photo, and I had to like cut off some bits to make it work. And I like that because it kind of helps you use your mind and like curate your techo in a way. For example, like I have this one I couldn't paste in like the main pages, but this is like a wrapper from like a cake I bought, and I really liked it, but then it didn't fit in the daily pages, so I have to like cut off some bits. So I do like a lot of aspects in the planner as well, but then I also wanted the freedom to like paste a lot in the cousin without having to like worrying about cutting off too much, and like it gives me more freedom to like paste everything in and keep all my memories in the book.
Oh, so that's
So that's why I chose to like move up one size because this is like twice the size.
I'm very curious what you are going to paste with more space.
Yeah, I think it'll be really fun to look back at the end of the year. So yeah, that is my planner and the cousin I'm using for next year. So to start off, Tamae, can you show us your techos for next year?
Sure.
You have a lot. So which one's your main techo?
And I chose cousin as a main techo for next year. This year, actually, for 2024, I started from original.
Oh, so the
Let me
smaller
show you.
A6
Yes.
one.
This main techo as my work techo. So I put my schedule on the left side.
The timeline.
Yeah. And my task list on the right hand side. And when I'm working on these original pages, I felt the need for more space. So actually, I switched to cousin
Oh, so
from September.
so halfway through the year you changed to your cousin.
Yes.
I like the washi tape
Yes.
and the sticker.
As you can see, I'm using the same stickers and same tapes, but still I have more space so I can work around things and more playful things around. Still, I can manage my task list as well as scheduling. So I feel the cousin is currently very much fit into my style. So that's why I chose cousin
I like
for my
the
next year.
spacious layout.
Yeah, thank you. I really like enjoying the freely look around on stickers and washi tape. So
It looks so cute.
yeah, thank you. And for the cover, I chose Yuge fabric cover. Look at this sleek
so
design.
It's really nice the tuck as well.
Yes, as well. And I also like the black.
On the inside.
I feel this black is a very good black. So I really like the color. That's why I chose this cover. And also, I really like the story behind. And this cover was made from fabric rescue activity of Yuge fabric. So this cover has been reproduced from the old design. So I really like the backstory. So that's why I chose this cover.
I agree.
For color combination with this cover, I bought arts and science cover as well.
So
And this is my second techo. And inside, I have blank notebook.
Oh, I see. So the one without all
Yes.
the lines and stuff. Why did you choose the blank?
I really like the blank note because I can freely write things without any rules. So we like blank notebook, and we just released the blank version. So that's why I
wanted to try it out.
grabbed the notebook, and also I'm putting
This is
the store exclusive
you
notebook
got
here.
this design.
Yes, I got this design. I really like the cover, so I put only one side
Of the cover.
the cover into this cover, and I'm using two notebook in one cover. And for this one, this is like to brush up my sense.
So cute.
So I'm putting things I feel very beautiful here.
So pretty.
So this is the kind of new things I started.
Wow, this is really pretty as well. I love it.
So this is my second teachers.
And the notebook and the cousin are both mainly for work.
Yes. And look at this color combination.
It's really pretty.
It's very beautiful.
I like it.
And as you know, Arts and Science cover is not a cheap cover.
It
as you know. Yes.
to, like, really
They really
make it
wanted to buy it because of the red, very beautiful red inside.
Yeah.
But I took a few months before clicking at the cart button.
It takes a bit of courage.
Yeah, because of this shooting, I finally bought one, and I have one, and I'm very happy with it.
I think it really matches.
And also, I'm turning 40 next year, so it's like for my next decade. Yes. for next year, I 2 new pencil boards as well.
You can never have too many pencil boards.
Yes, these 2
They're both so cute.
are the ones I chose. And as you said, it's okay to have many, as many pencil boards as we can. And it's like buying postcards after art exhibition. So I say myself that it's okay to buy
it's fine. It's totally
new
fine.
designs whenever I have one, which is favorite.
It's really nice keeping an artwork of someone you really like in your techo that you have by your side all the time.
And actually, I'm using both of them. Like for cousin, I back and forth weekly spreads as well as daily pages.
What do you write on the weekly pages?
For weekly pages, I write down just brainstorming memo. I'm using weekly spread as memos, which is another reason I chose cousin because we have
exclusive weekly spread.
I put one of the pencil board here, and for the another one, I'm going to put daily pages.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, by doing this, I can easily back and forth weekly spread and daily pages. So it's okay to have many pencil boards.
Excuse to have a lot.
And these are useful too. And for pencil boards, I recently found different unique technique we can use for pencil board. And I like knitting, and I usually have knitting pattern with me. And I have original size pencil board here. And with this, I can use ruler to check my progress.
Yeah, because it has that.
Yes. So that's another way to use pencil board.
I like
that
it.
I find recently.
Another excuse to buy one.
Wigs as well.
This one's really pretty
Yes,
as well.
I'm a big fan of Junaida's work, so when I saw this design, I just grabbed in. And this is a kind of new attempt for me because I haven't used wigs much this year, but I'm preparing to use this for reading journal. And recently, Nakamae-san's video for reading journal released on YouTube, so I will watch it and I learn from her how I can use wigs for reading journal. Right hand side for to put cover.
The front cover.
Yeah, front cover of the book, and she put some memorable quotes from the book. So I hope I can do the same thing for my Techo by Junaida.
I like that idea.
I have another
You have another cousin.
Yes, I bought so many this year. And actually, this is for my daughter. And my daughter is 5 years old, and she has been using Wick's book.
Is this her actual one?
Yes, the actual one actually. And when I bought it for her, I never thought she is going to use it because she just started to write some letters. So I am not sure if she can use it, but actually it turned out she has been using a lot of. And I really like her pages.
These photos.
We have Ivy at home, so she used Ivy to put some photos, and also she started to learn letters as well.
The sticker as well.
And we sometimes have Techo time together, so mommy and daughter time. So and she was seeing me enjoying cousin much space, so she said she also please get some more bigger
bigger Techo
for me. And that's why I chose this one for her. So this will be her Christmas present. So yes, I have to wrap it and decorate it to wait for Christmas Day.
I hope she's happy that she has a lot more space to freely write.
I think we can enjoy more. And we can have more Techo time together and go out and do Techo together. So I'm very look forward to it. also I'm using Stappo. And there's some new things I bought from 2025. And this memo part.
Oh, it's the
Yes, Hobonichi Techo.
one.
Yes, I really like the design. So I
Yeah.
chose this memo part. And then what I really like about it is I just write something I just want to keep for a short time, and I just repeat. So I really like this Hobonichi papers, and I really like the design. So
Yeah.
I have one and I place it in my Stappo. And also I bought everlasting envelope. Envelope, yes. And when I bought it, I was not sure how I am gonna use it, but I really like the color, especially the silver.
Yeah, this one's really pretty
Yes,
as well.
it's very pretty. So I just grabbed one because I wanted to have one with me, and I found a way to use it. And I'm sometimes traveling abroad, and I have to keep receipt. So I store receipt I got from my travel to store it.
It's easy to open and close,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. Just
With the hook and
Open.
loop fasteners, you can
Yes.
just quickly add all the receipts in.
Yes.
That's a really good way to use it.
yeah.
Because they get lost really easily.
Yes, I have to. Yes, I really need it for my cost refurbishment.
Yeah.
These are techos we chose for next year. I hope you enjoyed it.
And we also have the Hobonichi Techo news on our official website where the Techo team members show their techos for next year as well. So if you're interested, we hope you take a look. And let us know in the comments like which techos you chose for 2025. So, thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.